Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WorldFirst account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to worldfirst.com. Now you're going to come to a page that looks similar to this. Now they might have an accept cookies. Just go ahead and click on accept all. Now from here on the top we got these different tabs. So I'm in Australia, so I've clicked on Australia for myself, but if you're in a different region to me, just go ahead and click onto your region. Now once that is out the way, we want to go ahead and click on the sign up button. So we've got to sign up for free or sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up for free. Now we need to answer a few questions. So select country, your account, security and business. So first question, where is your business based? So select the country where your business is registered or the main country where you operate if not registered. So I'm going to choose Australia, going to confirm. And then from here, we need to go ahead and put in our details. So contact name, first name, last name, email, verification code, create your world account login password, invitation code. If you got one, add that in there and go ahead and click on you agree to the terms and privacy and click continue. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. Now once you're filling that out, when it comes to your email, you want to go ahead and click on send code, and that's going to send you a code. You might need to click a captcha to get to the code. So I'm just going to complete that. All right, so I'm inside my emails. It's a 6-digit verification code. Now I'm just going to pop that in there. Then from here, we need to create a login password and also click that and then click continue. I'm going to save this to my computer. Then from here, we need to verify your mobile number. So to fully access the features of your account, you need to set up mobile authentication. So go ahead and put in your mobile number, click send code and put in the code that they're going to give to you to activate it. Then from there, it's simply just fill out your business details. And then after that, you're going to successfully create your WorldFirst account.